Now from here to switch our model, I'll go ahead and type /model and go ahead and send it. Right here, we see our current model and the provider. Right here, we also see OpenRouter. So let's go ahead and click on this. And here I can easily select a new model. If I wanted to switch over to Opus, I could do that here. And I can also click on next to see the rest of the list. So with this, it makes it super easy to change out your models. So now what if I want specific jobs to utilize different models? My default model is GPT 5.4 mini. But what if I want my weekly AI tools research job to run on a different model? Maybe something a little bit more powerful. That's something that you can also do with your Hermes agent. So right here, I'm going to say, I want the weekly AI tools research job to run on a different model. Change it to run on Opus 4.6. Send that. All right, so now only the weekly AI tools research job is running on Opus 4.6, while my default model for regular chatting with my Hermes agent is still GPT 5.4 mini. This way, I can get the extra thinking power where I need it without driving up the cost of my everyday interactions. You can do this with any job as well. If it needs more horsepower, switch it to a more powerful model. If it's something simple, you can drop it down to a lighter model. It all depends on the scope of the job that you're creating.